Alright, greetings. Today, we're going to try to cold start this girl. Okay, so this is my 1992 Dodge Dakota. Does not have the original engine. Now it's got a diesel engine out of a 1985 Mercedes 300D, and basically everything behind the engine is still stock. So I have the stock transmission. I retained four-wheel drive, and I haven't put very many miles on it yet. Chasing down a cooling system issue right now, but hasn't been started in about 2 months, and I figure see if it still starts and maybe let it run for a bit. I gotta connect this battery. Okay. Okay. Turn it off. Should stop in a minute. My glow plug button. Just manual glow plugs. Let's see, hold that for about maybe 10 seconds. We'll wait a minute. Give it another round. Looks like the battery's still got voltage, so hopefully we don't have to put the jump box on it. Alright. Here goes nothing. Alright. Pretty good. Good oil pressure, got battery voltage, no tack yet. Gotta figure out how I want to go about that. But I got all the other gauges to work. I retained the factory fuel system, just gutted the pump, so I still have the factory sender. This is full of gas right now, full diesel. Tell it's in four-wheel drive. That's pretty cool. Maybe we'll let this thing warm up for a little bit and do a donut in the yard or something. Alright, we're gonna see if we can do something fun in the yard.